Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Magistrate inquest. Magistrate inquest, there are two types of magistrate. Those who preside over the honorable courts are called judicial magistrate. That is, judicial magistrate resides in the courts. They work in the courts. Okay. Whereas the second type of magistrate is executive magistrate. Executive magistrates include Tahsildar, Assistant Commissioner, Deputy Commissioner, and District Collector. So, magistrate inquest is mainly conducted under the section 176 CRPC. Judicial magistrate inquest and executive magistrate inquest should be dealt in detail.
Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about